Assalamualaikum. Thank you, Mr. Dinesh. Okay, now I'm gonna interview you for my IT project. You as a technician production, what duties does production technician perform?
Okay, I'm as a production technician. Before product are made available to consumer, we as a production technician test them to ensure they work properly. Okay, they often work in factories, discovery production or manufactured goods, issues and evaluating and recommending product improvements. We ensure the raw materials are available for manufacturing. Additionally, we as a production professionals guarantee the workplace safety and teach co-workers about health and safety requirements. Okay, that's all.
Okay, next question is, for a production technician to succeed, what quality they must possess?
Okay, a production technician must have a firm grasp of the manufacturing process, interact effectively with various people, and manage and prioritize tasks. In addition, we should be competent in evaluating and resolving challenges, possess good communication, numerical abilities, and grasp the critical nature of health and safety in workplace and its users.
Okay, got it. Okay, next question is, what were the most serious incidents you had to deal with, and how did you deal with them?
In my previous employment, I was tasked with leading my teams in completing a mission critical project for the organization. Unfortunately, one of my co-workers, team members, was a drug addict, and he was constantly failing to complete the task I assigned to him. So, at the time, we were on a tight timetable and could not afford to defer any task. So, me as a group leader, I organized a meeting to discuss the issue. Although the individual was finally forced to withdraw from the project, my team was able to split the assignment and complete it on time just by tackling the time head on.
It must be hard for you. Okay, Mr. Dinesh, you as a production technician, how will you describe your daily routine?
Okay, in my daily time, a typical day for a production technician includes checking emails to see if any immediate responses are required. Because of this, we work in factories. Production technicians must be involved in all aspects of the manufacturing process and collaborate with technicians and workers. We must also give presentation to co-workers, explain the various procedures to them, and understand new tools to ensure maximum output. Okay.
What is the flow diagram and how it works?
Flow diagram. Flow diagram is a user-friendly, simplified diagram that depicts the general plant streams, primary equipment components, and key central loops, while also demonstrating the link between the major components in the system. The flow diagram describes the main flow path by identifying instrument and vessels with symbols and describing the major flow course.
Okay. For the last question, I know you in this era, I mean in this life and your work, how do you describe the 5S stand for?
Okay, 5S demonstrate how to efficiently and effectively maintain a workspace by recognizing and storing things. First of all, first S is sorting. Sorting to eliminate all extra tools, parts, and instructions. Second S stands for organizing. Everything should have a place, and each item's location should be properly labeled. Third S stands for sweeping. Maintain an orderly and structured work environment. Fourth S stands for standardization. The work environment and tools should be uniform and standardized. For the fifth S stands for self-discipline. Maintain self-discipline on the floor to ensure maximum efficiency.
Thank you, Mr. Dinesh, for spending your time to our interview. Next.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Najmi Hakim, and
So here we have Mr. Professor Hafiz for our ethics project as a software engineer. So I will ask you a couple of questions. So just answer with your own knowledge. Okay, first of all, okay, for your position, what is the eligibility to hold the position?
For my position, we must have a solid knowledge of Java, possess strong problem-solving skills, as well as oral and writing communication skills. Have a true understanding of computer architecture, operating system, and data structure. The ability to thrive in a fast-paced, dynamic environment and not be overwhelmed.
Okay, next question is, does your job about software engineering require any experience or knowledge before?
Yes, because the key role of engineer is to create a software solution to a business problem. This naturally means that a strong ability to solve problems both independently and collaboratively is a key skill for this field. Software engineers have to understand how to support all phases of the software development life cycle and how to build software systems.
Next is about your job scope. What is the job scope for your own in software engineering?
For my job scope, software developer job is to monitor user feedback and suggestions and incorporate those suggestions into the existing software infrastructure. Software developer must be able to identify the core functionality of software programs and enhance its performance and security level.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next is, what is the important in our life about software engineering?
The important is software engineering important because specific software is needed in almost every industry, in every business and for every function. It becomes more important as time goes on.
Thank you. Okay, last but not least, last question is, do you know about ethics professionalism? So what do you think for ethics professionalism is important in your job cycle?
I think it leads employees and employers to understand the importance of practicing ethics in software engineering with the digitalizing workplace. So when an ethical problem arises, it has to be resolved straightforward under any circumstance, or else unmanaged ethical problem will definitely cause us a serious problem.
Thank you, Professor Hafiz. Okay, I think that's all from us. Thank you for Mr. Hafiz for the interview for our software engineering. That's all.